Welcome to Craw Security. I'm Satyash Kumar Sharma. In this session, we will discuss about the permissions. In the earlier session, we will discuss about the permissions also and by using the symbolic mode. But in this session, we will discuss about the permissions but by using the numerical mode. So how I can assign the permissions by using the numerical. It means in this we use the number. Suppose if we want to assign the permission for the user, so you can use the permissions by using the numbers. You can assign the permission on the user also. You can assign the permission on group also and for the others also. So these are the numbers that are to be used to assign the permission. Which permission you want to assign? So I want to assign which permission we want to assign. So we can assign read permission and we can assign the write permission and we can assign the execute permission. So read, write and execute. So these permissions we can assign on any user. It can be assigned on any user, on any group and others. So this is the number for the read permission, this is the number for the write permission, and this is the number for the execute permission. If we want to assign no permission for any user, so we can assign this number, and we want to assign full permission for any user, for any group, other, so we can use this number. So what is the process and what is the syntax for this particular, I will show you. Then use the chmod command, and in this we have three number. So first number indicate for the user, the second number indicate for the group, and the third number indicate for the others. So this is, so we add the permission. If suppose we want to add the read permission also and write permission also. So what I will do, so we can use read. It means, read means 4. So this one, and write means 2, this one. So it will be 6. It will be 6. So only use here 6. Suppose you want to assign the permission, full permission. So what is the full permission means? So it also have another number, another number, that is execute. So execute means 1. So it says execute. Execute means 1. So it will be 7. So by this particular way, these permissions are to be assigned. This is for the user, this same for the group, this same for the this one. Suppose we want to assign no permission for other. So what is for the other? So it's called 0. 0 means no permission. So it will be this. So it has no permission. Suppose we want to assign the permission for the group read execute. So what is in this particular portion? It will be read, and read means 4. And we want to add only 1. It means execute. It means 1. So 4 and 1, 5. So this is the same process by which we can assign the permissions by using the numerical mode. So this is the process to apply the permission by using the numerical mode. So this is the number for the user, and this is the number for the group, and this is the number for the others. And this is my folder name. So on which particular file, which particular folder you want to assign the permission, so you can use this. So like this way we can use this particular numerical mode. So I will show this by using the example. So how I will use this? So I open my machine. So In earlier session, we discussed all these things. But in this session, we will discuss about which thing what we have no. Okay, this one. So in this session, we will discuss about the numerical mode. Numerical. In this session, not next session, in this session. Numerical, numerical mode, not a portion, it's a mode. So in this session, we will discuss about the numerical permissions, permissions by using the numerical mode. So first we create a new folder, mkdir / new data. So this is my new folder, that is new data. And I want to check the initial permission. What are the initial permission that are to be assigned on this particular folder? So we can use ls-l to list the permission. And I want to list only the files, so we can use only just L. We want to check the permission on the folder, on the directory, so we can use D. Then new data. So this one. So I can check, this is the permission for the user, this is permission for the group, and this one for the others. So I will change this one, so I can show the permissions assigned on other user. This is for the group and this is for the user owner. So this is the user owner, this is the group owner, and all the rest will be the others. So command will be same, chmod, and we want to assign the permission for the user owner, that's a full permission, and for the group, that is also full, and we want to assign no permission for the others. So what we will use? Only 0. 0 means, I will show this again, no permission. 0 means no. So add these, it will be full permission. So we want to provide full permission for the user also, for the group also, so we can use this. So what is your file name? What is your folder name? It means directory. New data. This is my directory on which we want to assign the permission for the user, group, and others. So I will show this again. So now you can see here. So there is no permission. There are 3 hyphen. Hyphen means no permission. I will check this. cd/new data. So this is my user that is in the category of others because it has the root that is a user owner group, and all the others, it can be any user. So will be the others. So this is my other user, and I want to check I'm able to enter in this particular folder or not. It means directory change. It's not perform cd command. So I want to list the directory /new data. So I'm able to list this, not. I'm not able to read this also. So I have no read permission also. I have no write permission also. And I have no execute permission also. Execute. This one. So I will show you. Suppose if I am assigning any one permission, so how I will check this? So I will show you this. Suppose we create some files in this particular folder. The folder is new data, and some files here. File we create some files in this like this way. So this is the command, and I want to check if the files is created or not. We have created 3 files, file 1, file 2, file 3. And I want to check this user is able to read this particular database or not. Slash new data. At this time, it's not able to read this. So I will assign only the read permission. I will assign only the read permission. What is the number here for the read? That is 4. So I will assign only the read permission. So now I will check this again. -ld. So you can check here. I have assigned only the read permission. This one. I want to check this user is able to list or not. List means read. So it has no permission to enter in this folder, but it can read. Now you can check here, because I'm not able to enter in this folder because we have no execute permission. By using the execute permission, we can enter in this folder, and by entering in this folder we can list. So we can read this particular database, but I am not able to perform cd command. It means we can't change the directory, we cannot enter in this directory. So I want to perform this one also. So what we will do, we will assign read also, we will assign the execute also. So what is the means of read? Read means 4, and what is the means of execute? This. So combine these and enter here. So it will be 5. So I will assign this. So now you can check here. So at this time you have read permission, you have execute permission. These places are fixed. In this always read, in this always write, in this always execute. So these are fixed. So now I want to check this. So by performing this command, we can check it has the execute permission. So it's not showing this particular type of message. So I want to perform the cd command here also. So now I am able to enter in this folder. We can perform ls also by entering in this folder. We can perform ls also, we can perform cd also. And I want to write some data here. So I am able or not. Agra new. This is my file. This one. So at this time we are not able to perform any directory. We are not able to perform any command, and I want to provide the permission this one also. So what I will do, I am assigning the execute permission. So read means 4, write and execute. At this time we have which permission? Read, execute, and we want to assign the write one also. So what is the means of read? 4. What is the means of write? 2. What is the means of execute? 1. So combine all these and type here. That is 7. So now we have full permission in this particular directory for the other user. So now we can check here, touch. So now you can check. This is the user who create this particular data file. So read write again, and this is read. So this is the process. By using this, we can create file, we can create directory also, data underscore dir 1. Now you can check. This is my directory. I'm able to perform this command also. You can able any command you can perform here. So this is the process to apply the permission, and I want to remove this. The process will be same. I want to remove this, and I want to remove which permission? I want to remove the right to, I want to remove execute also. So what I will do, only we want this user will able to only read, not write, not execute. So just type the number only, not plus sign, no need to, etc. It always do, or it always perform the override operation. It can't perform append operation and remove operation. So when we want only read, just type the number read. So you can see here, at this time it has only this one, not the old permission. So it will perform override, exact match, override operation. So now you can check here. In earlier, we are able to perform this command, but at this time you are not able to perform this particular command. And I want to enter this in this particular directory again. In this particular directory again, which particular directory? This one. So I'm not able to enter in this particular directory because at this time I'm having only the read permission. We not have the execute permission. Without execute, we can't enter in any directory. So this is the process that are to be used by using chmod and using the numerical options. So I have performed these. So you can write here, write these commands, and you can do practical also. So thank you so much.